Hello Ethan, how are you? I am fine, and you? I am also fine. But why do you look so worried? You are right. I am somewhat worried about environment pollution. Oh, yes! Our environment is in a great danger. It is being polluted severely. You are absolutely right. The problem of environment pollution has become a major threat for the human beings as well as the animals. Exactly. But what are you thinking about its impact? The impact of environmental pollution is serious. It gives rise to ecological imbalance and brings about natural disasters. Absolutely. Besides, the increase of world temperature is the result of environment pollution. What is your idea about it? I agree with you. Besides, I think the plants and animals are likely to be extinct on account of increasing temperature. Exactly. Besides, the ice is melting and the water level of the sea is rising because of environmental pollution. Yes, of course. Besides, due to environmental pollution we are suffering from various kinds of diseases. You are right. But what can we do to prevent environmental pollution? The people from all walks of life should come forward to stop polluting the environment. They should be made aware of its harmful effect. Right you are. Thank you. You are most welcome. See you later. Thanks again, Ethan. Take care of your family. I am hoping it rains soon. At least, we will be able to breathe. Fingers crossed. Let's hope the monsoon arrives early. Take care of your family. Bye.
Hi, could you please help me out with how to get to Amstel River?
It's a 20-minute drive from here. Hire a cab from the cab stand ahead and you're good to go.
Great. But, we guys are running a little late for the light festival, we might miss our cruise. What is the quickest way of getting there according to you?
I would still reckon the cab, as the subway is at least 15 minutes from here, and then the train journey would take you a minimum of another 7 minutes to be precise.
Thank you so much. One last question. Could you tell me where exactly are we right now?
Sure. You are at the Month Square. Is this your first visit to Amsterdam?
Yes. That's evident, isn't it? In a friendly manner. Well, thank you so much, pal. You've been a great help indeed.
No worries. It's all good, bro. Have a great vacation here, and I must tell you the Light Festival is an experience of a lifetime. Take care.